Hello everyone, my name is Michael and this is a demonstration on how to provide Zoom meeting links through D2L. Before using your Zoom application, you'll first need to log into your D2L. After you log into your D2L, click on Communication. This will open a drop-down list. Click on Zoom. This will open a pop-up window. And under Topic, click on your current Zoom meeting. Please note, if you use the recurrence feature when setting up your lectures, you will only have to send the link once. If you have individual meetings set up for each lecture, you will need to send each meeting invite. At the bottom right corner of your window, click on Copy the Invitation. This will open a pop-up window showing your meeting invite details. At the bottom of that pop-up window, click on Copy Meeting Invitation. After you have copied your meeting invite, close your Zoom application by clicking the X on the top right corner of your screen. You will then need to compose an email. Paste this invite into the body of your email along with your name, your email, student name, student email, student phone number, class name, class date, and class time. This has been a demonstration on how to provide Zoom meeting links. Thank you for watching.